Ooh, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. Let's go check it out, Colin. Come on, buddy. Oh. Wow. Oh, my favorite color, too.
Ride?
What?
Like my new ride?
Yeah. You buying it?
I wish. I should.
Do it. Oh, God, it's beautiful. Yeah, right? Get rid of that.
Different era of cars.
It really is. This styling is just timeless.
I love it so much.
It will always be good looking, always. These wheels are so classy. Silver calipers. Wow.
They're all set up as standard for 5 business.
Can't believe we actually pulled it off. CLK Black Series.
Yeah, get in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like Don's idea.
Oh, and it smells like crayons in here.
Don said it's
the best.
For the weekend. He's volunteering his trip. Why
Yeah, right.
Weekend? It's Monday.
Do we have the 6-disc changer in the trunk? This takes me back to my youth. 78,000 miles on it.
Get your boys to Med CD in there.
But hey, it's been driven, right? So the engine's well lubricated. Right? So just give it a little TLC and get this thing rocking and rolling.
I mean, it's in excellent shape.
Yeah, it really is. So clean. Yeah.
She's pretty.
I love it. Dude, I can't believe we did it.
I'm glad that we did. I like this car a lot.
Yeah.
It stands really tall and it just got here. Hasn't even been.
Yeah, we haven't even done a thing to it yet. Really not a lot to say about this other than just so happy we got it. Carbon fiber rear diffuser, just epic looking.
This changer is not in the truck.
Then it would be in the glove box if it's not in the trunk. There it is. Oh yeah. Used to have one of these back in the day. Pop it out right there.
Find your boys to Men CDs yet?
Yeah, right? Let's see the plaque of the person who built the car.
We'll get it all inspected, serviced up, clean up the seats, clean up the headliner. And
Yep. Seats, headliner, a couple little interior trim bits to clean up. But overall, it looks great. So once we get this all reconditioned and ready to rock and roll, we'll do a big feature on it. But we did secure it. We brought it in. We're going to get it standing tall, even better than it already is. But I'll tell you what, it's clean. 2008 CLK Black Series. One of my favorite cars that Mercedes ever built. And the first Black Series, by the way. The first in a long, yeah, the pioneer in what is now just the most epic cars that we make.
look at those side holes on the leather seat.
Headlights look great too.
We want to give you comfort, but keep you right there.
Yeah. No, those are some beefy bolsters.
Until you see how big that truly is.
No, it's huge. It's absolutely huge. Love it. The big center cup holder with the little sliding access to the center console. Probably get a new floor mat.
Look at that shift knob. That is just
No,
AMG quirk.
was that the standard shift knob for this car?
I'm almost positive it was.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was, because back then a lot of them had the shifter that had the keyless go button in the center of it, but as you can see, the keyless go button is to the left, right down there. Yeah, that's just, it's cool. It's just cool. Everything about it is cool.
Car. This one's a driver.
So yeah, the big question is, yeah, she's a bit miley. Let's just be honest about it. Okay,
She's miley.
But that's okay. Just for reference, when I say the word miley, that's not a knock on a car. That is an observation. It's relative to the market. That's all that means. Miley is something's either more miles than the market or less. If it's more miles than the market, it's miley. It's not a bad thing, it's just an observation, right? So that makes this car a lot more attainable than other CLK Black Series that would be far more expensive because of low miles. So mileage can be a good thing. What do you think, Don? Is this taking you down memory lane?
Yeah. Yes, it is.
There it is. Boom. Just a nice little idle. Sounds lovely.
They were rockets.
How many horsepower did this make? I don't have it offhand.
500, I believe.
Yeah, which sounds about right.
I think it was 500.
Back then, that was a big deal.
It's naturally aspirated. There's no turbos or superchargers.
There you go. Naturally aspirated V8, so it's not turbocharged. So 500 horsepower naturally aspirated is a big accomplishment.
500 horsepower, 465 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah.
And it weighs about 3,800 pounds. So for that car to make that power with no forced induction,
Yeah.
it was a cool car.
Yeah.
For the size and weight, it was an absolute rocket.
Just look, the fender flares are so meaty, so beefy, right? And all the carbon fiber aero. God.
It does not look like it is. I've got 2008,
Yeah.
18 years old.
The CLK was my absolute favorite model growing up. It's when I would see them, they just were so beautiful. Like it's what made me fall in love with the brand, truly. Those were the cars, and in this color, by the way.
They all look good in this color. The SLs, the CLKs.
They do.
The S classes. It was like the silver era of Mercedes.
And I think what I've always said about silver cars is that you see the lines probably better than any other paint, right? You can truly appreciate the bulging of the fenders and any crease lines that you might have. The Mercedes were a lot more rounded back then, right? Back in the early to mid 2000s, they were very rounded out. Even these lines here are not super sharp like they would be on some of our more modern stuff. Right, very curvy on the front. You've got the rounded headlights. The mirror, the side mirrors are rounded. I mean, everything just was round back then, but it's timeless styling.
Era accurate.
It'll always look good. Good deal. All right, well, I can't wait to get this thing looking even better than it already does.
We'll get it knocked
Middle of the showroom. How long do you think it lasts?
Ooh, that's hard to say. I think it goes quick after the pictures go online,
I agree.
and we'll make it right.
And then Joe W. Auto will do a video, and then who knows? All bets are off at that point.
At that point, it's
Right.
anyone's car. It truly is.
Remember, 6-disc changer. You can't get that anymore. You can't even get a CD player anymore. So dust off those old CDs, and this is your car. I like that it's got the original audio and head unit.
It's very original. The only modification that's aftermarket on this car is this black grille,
Yeah,
and it looks like all that is some wrap.
yeah. Yep, 100%.
Chrome underneath it. It's all good.
What do you think? Do we leave it or do we undo it?
Things like that, I like to leave up to the buyer.
Yeah.
Because if they want it black, it's already black, and if they want it chrome, it's just a sticker. We'll
Yep.
get it off.
Good deal. All right, brother. I love it. I love it. The used car department is as adventurous as it's ever been.
Nice and jazzed up.